Dual 1080p front and inside dash camera. The full HD dash cam equipped with 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps camera video enabled to capture 6 lanes. The inside view is also upgraded to 1920 x 1080p, which can capture the full inside view of the cars. 170 degrees plus 140 degrees wide angle without blind spot captures all-around details as a travel recording or important video evidence in insurance case disputes. Super infrared night vision and WDR technology. The dashcam combined with f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, it provides an excellent license plate and road signs readability. The interior camera surrounded by 4 infrared LED lights performs remarkably well in poor lighting conditions. It is your superior choice for taxi/ride-sharing drivers. 24 hours parking monitor. It is used to protect your car after parking. With this function on, after you park the car and the camera powers off, dash camera will stay in standby mode. When the camera detects shocking, it will automatically turn on and shoot 31 seconds of video, then shut down automatically. If you need 24 hours parking monitoring, please buy hardwire kit separately. Recommend B09S5JLTGN. Loop recording and G-sensor. The dashcam for cars has a loop recording function to continuously record and automatically delete the oldest stored video to record the latest video when the memory is full. A G-sensor ensures that important stored video clips are not overwritten. The car camera can hold a microSD card of up to 64 GB. SD card is not included. Lifetime after-sales support. Yansu dash camera offers lifetime after-sales support. 3-month unconditional refund, 1-year warranty and 7 times 24 hours technical support. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team via Amazon or the after-sales email on the manual. We will answer any of your questions and resolve arising issues after 12 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Good camera for $40 but only supports up to 32 GB. This is a good camera. The setup was easy. The ad says it supports up to 64 GB but the camera manual suggests to have a mini SD card with 32 GB capacity. Overall, I am happy with this purchase. I will update this if things go wrong, but so far it is doing well. For a week, July 26, 2022.